My name is Ash, and I am your friend with exciting news. If you have been falling behind with ONPASSIVE, I will make this session get you up to speed very quickly. Where we are today, what's happening now, what will happen the next step. We usually don't do this webinar at this time. This is a live stream. I thought with a couple of my friends here, brothers or sisters, will show up. Seems like everybody's available. You are engaged. I appreciate that. So just in case, if you're not putting things together on your own, that's fine. There are so many pieces to connect. And I don't blame you if you are not quite clear on that. I'm going to make it as crystal clear as possible. Hopefully this will help you. And the good news, it will be real quick. I mean, as far as like getting you up to speed. So we decided to remake and reorganize the entire internet. We thought there was a better way. It's a very simple mission. I mean, everything is scattered. There's a lot of corruption, monopoly, overpriced technology, very complex to learn, time-consuming. There's so many philosophies to take in when you are trying to adjust your life or business with the new digital era. And at this pace, most communities or societies will fall way behind. So there has to be a faster way to get people up to speed, is literally to do it for them and have it run on autopilot. And there is more commodities and modalities are popping fast these days. One of them, as we know, is artificial intelligence. It's going fast. Now it's really making that buzz everywhere. So if people still picking up the digital, the web 2.0, and now more technologies are evolving, they're going to be way behind. So this is the beautiful news about what we're doing. We're combining everything in one place, simplified, one platform, get you everything you need to have done on your digital life, whether personal, individual, nonprofit, educational, finance, communication, any use, even entertainment, or just want to, hang out and socialize. So we are at this stage. We kind of launched this mission a couple of years ago, and today we are ready to go to the market, where the world beyond the initial early bird individuals, founding members, and the beta testers, if you wish, are going to start using our technologies. So this is what's going to happen. We first, where we come from. So we planned and developed and still working on some applications that will literally cover everything you need for your digital life. Everything you need. There's no longer for your need for your hunter search for which one is the best platform, software, application, service to achieve this or that. There's no longer a need for that. It's all done for you. So the search is done for you. The pricing, the analytics, all of that is done for you by real good professionals in the ONPASSIVE company. And They're very good at what they do, and they're passionate to make it the simplest, more productive digital platform. So we have started releasing some of the free products, at least the first early release, and some of them are ready to go to the next and even some third release, meaning they're going to be above market value, above market features, and likely to be disruptive. Because now we're going to start witnessing unseen technologies in one place. So everything you need is in ONPASSIVE. If it's not in ONPASSIVE, it means you don't need it. As simple as that. We're not stuffing and shoving things that you don't need just so we can sell another piece of garbage or two. No, there's no junk. It's either needed or it's not in ONPASSIVE. Now, ONPASSIVE, as far as technologies, yeah, we strive to outdo every other application there to make it first more features, more robotic, automated, and lower cost, much simpler to use. That's the key, and everything in one place. So with that, we could really be satisfied, but of course we shoot and aim for more. So we decided to also humanize our business. The basic AI or artificial intelligence that you know there is very controversial. It could be problematic somehow, or could cause some damage and harm to some either industries or sectors or even cultures. So we're very careful about what kind of artificial intelligence to use in ONPASSIVE. We want the human aspect of it, whatever can simplify our daily living so we can save some time, frustration, and the tech overload, so we can do more things that we are passionate about, but without any threat by artificial intelligence. So there is a difference between traditional AI and the AI we are very clear and determined to develop. It's very clean, must be healthy, and very ethical as well. So we should train the machine also to be ethical and transparent.